Hamren rong supialong pini Judicial Court Justice and Kotisfer Singh Kangpu. Bukajanalong Judicial Court Kangpu. Ing Samjin Pen Yonex Sunrise All Assam Inter-District Badminton Kapathu Kijut. Kardom Pini Prime Time Abirta Kethana Bang Nilisami Velian Rong Parpi Nonar Jikta Birta Angton Ben West KARBI ANGLONG District Ahem P Hamren Rong Supi DCSI Hem Chikoy Not Along Pinia Dapor Pai Kep Apor Guwahati High Court Judge in Charge Administrative Department Mate Aluhi Sarpo Justice and Kotiswar Singh Pen Hamren Judicial Court Ingpupon Nogam District and Session Judge Sang Pirita Karpen Mai Jabonsi Kachetong Aluhi Lapen Manpeng Kachetong Dun Atumapan Karbi Poho Lapen Choi Hong Torki Pipa Jerpensi Pachinipon Mayalong Kupia Potsi Judicial Court Kibi Lapen Hawar Arat Ko Anlo Aleduji Lapen Non Kacharli Klim Somaratum Setame Pirthe Dang Chingri Sarki Kroy Aron Mate Common Law Kacharli ke Thekdun Akinang Sod Binong Puta Lamthe Guwahati High Court Judge in Charge Mr. Justice and Kotiswar Singh Pen Mayalong Lamthe Jai Nason Taksi Hamren Judicial Court along Portfolio Judge Kitang Abangpu Hiteswar Kumar Sarma Lapen Lakha Inkoy Batalang So SDLA Constituency Dr. Mansing Nong Pi Penta Lamthe Jaidun Labangso Judicial Court Complex Kangpu along West KARBI ANGLONG DC Shahid Isfagur Rahman Lamthe Jai.
Today is a historic day for Hamren because the Judicial Court campus has been inaugurated by Honorable Justice Koteshwar Singh from the Guwahati High Court. We are accompanied by Honorable Justice S.K. Sharma sir, lots of judicial officers from the High Court as well as District Judge Nogam and other senior officers came. So initially one court of additional district and session judge Hamren, then one Municipal Court will function here. The Municipal is already permanently stationed here, and for the additional court of additional district judge, it will be a circuit court. Initially, he will come only once in a week. After that, depending on the number of cases, if there are more cases, then he will increase his frequency. And they have requested that required land should be given to them so that proper judicial complex offices quarters can be constructed. And when these courts are come, definitely employment opportunity will also come because also this post will come up for the grade 3, grade 4 post. Because other judicial officers are requested by the Assam Judicial Service so that it will not be locally recruited. And for the other post, it will be locally recruited. We hope that one day there will be a full court right from the district judge to the order level, and we have a full functional court. And today's function was attended by Principal Secretary from the KARBI ANGLONG Commerce Council.
West KARBI ANGLONG SP Mrinal Talukdar, KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council EM Rup Singh Teron, Hamren Bar Association, Hamren Municipal Board Chairman Biren Tiso, HMB Vice Chairman Het Singh Rongpar and Parta Department along. Saikiri po atum chetong dunsi RT Dojot Hamren Rong Supialong Judicial Court Complex Asai Hem Kangpu Asai Kedeng Pachun Pon. News Desk Report, KARBI ANGLONG Live. Honorable Justice Mir Alfas Ali Arvidengpen, Pukajan Subdivision along Pini Judicial Court Ingpupon Tanglo. West KARBI ANGLONG Hamren Rong Supialong Pini Judicial Court Kangpupon, Asai Kedeng Ponasonsi Pini Pukajan Subdivision along Ta Bangso Judicial Court Ingpupon Tanglo. Ada Professor Kepen Honorable Justice Mir Alfas Ali Arvidengpen si Ingpupon. Bangso Kangpupon along Kacharap Chitodun Sar Imtaro, KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council Secretary, MK Saikia Deputy Commissioner, Muhammad A.U. Ahmed, District Session Judge, R. Bordaloy, Dun Maipu Dipu Bar Association, Penchenglok Kithikiding Etum, Chirap Chitodun. Judicial Court Kangpu Asai Kedeng Ponalong 155 BN CRPF CO, SP, SDO Penchenglok Pregjam Asai Kam Asai Puatum RD Kipidun, Theglong.
নিখিল স্ট্রাইক তো এইমতে আমাৰ তাত জাষ্টিচ চিষ্টেম চলি আছিল আৰু সেই সময়ত এক্সিকিউটিভ আৰু জুডিচিয়েল ছেপাৰেশ্যন হোৱা নাই গতিকে এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিচাৰ্ছ হেডেড বাই Deputy Commissioner and his assistant. আৰু গাংগুৰা মহিলা এওঁলোকৰ হাতত আমাৰ জাষ্টিচ ডেলিভাৰী চিষ্টেম যিটো আইন IPC হওক CRPC হওক এওঁলোকেহে চলাই আছে সেই সময়ত মানুহ কম আছিল কেছো কম আছিল কিন্তু এতিয়া পপুলেশ্যন বহুত ডাঙৰ বাঢ়ি গ'ল আৰু আপোনালোকে সকলো জানে যে কাৰ্বি আংলংটো বহুত
Bangso Judicial Court Pini Kangpu Pen Pokajan Subdivision Arlo Kido Rong Mongwe Tolamara Deitor Chuki Holap Mencheng Lo Kaprek Arong Ahavar Aran Atum Pen Kenang Sot Asai Di Puan Kedam Isi Ake Jokpon Po News Desk Report Karbi Anglong Live Kedam tang chitini phai hini arni Karbi Anglong Sports Association Indoor Stadium along Kapadupon Unique Sunrise All Assam Inter-District Badminton Kapathu chitini phai troxy arni Pajutpon Kedam tang chitini phai hini arni pen Assam Badminton Association pen kasa chirap chitu si kasa Indoor Stadium along Kapadupon ingdeng Trokebra Troxy Unique Sunrise All Assam Inter-District Badminton Championship Pini Angdung Kiti Pathuponlo Pini Angdung Kiti Mate Kapajut Arni HAD Minister Sumronghang Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang MP Horen Singbe EM MAC Atum Pendanglok Penang An Kithikiding Man Pengkido Atum Chutongdun Nipo Aparman Kapathu ki biyahut Asitin Kapathu Ajay Mek Mate Inut Vet Lapen Bang Hinini Kapathu Ajay Mek Alongta Dibrugarh District Atumsi Hai Thorlo Guwahati Atum Aduntu Haidunlo Ki Hai Anong E Kachetongdun Aluhi Atum Arideng Pensi Pajerdunlo Dipu Pen Digonto Teron, Lepen Sarjup Kathar, Karbi Anglong Live. Pindi Prime Time, Abirta Bangke, Lepan Sikang Todeglo, Dumit Hakmi, Kardom.